Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Setting up Microsoft Planner is a straightforward process, and it can be done in several ways depending on how you intend to use it. Alright, so number one option is just go to the Microsoft Planner website, or you can go to the Microsoft 365 account. And from here, you can log in using your account. All right. Log in using your email, phone, or Skype. Or if you want, just go directly to the Microsoft Planner website. Because the idea is if you have a Microsoft 365, Microsoft Planner is part of it. And once you are logged in, all you're going to do is really simple. All right. Select the Microsoft Office Planner to the hundreds of apps available to your account here in Microsoft 365. All right. In this case, I'm going to be choosing this one, wherein you can create plans, organize and assign tasks, share files, and get progress updates. I want you to click on it. And if you do, you would be forwarded to the Microsoft Planner Hub right here. You can go to the My Plans, My Idea, and My Tasks. And all you're going to do now is simply click on the new plan, wherein you can start from templates right here. If you want to see all of the templates, you can select this button right here. Or you can simply start by clicking on the basic. You can start with a list and board. And from here, all you're going to do is click on create. You would be forwarded to this interface wherein once you have done that, you can set up your buckets in your pan right here. You can add a new task. And then click on that to ensure that you have all the information. You can add a new notes. You can add a checklist and show it to the card. And once you've done that, you can put in the progress if it's not started, in progress, or completed. You can set the priority to medium, important, or urgent. All right. And after that, the next thing that you need to do, you can go to the grid and go to the label. You can add a label if you want. You can choose from any of these available colors, from pink, red. For example, the red signifies urgent. And you have the option to edit the label as well. All right. For example, this is going to be setup. Press enter. You see, you would notice that. Now on the upper right corner, you have the option to share. If you want to create a group from scratch, you can do that and add members to create a new group. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is click the create a group. You can add members to create a group if you have one, or choose an existing group when you click on this tab right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.